Welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving deep into a standout tire that has garnered attention for its exceptional performance. The Lionhart LIONCLAW Highway Terrain Tire, specifically in the size 225/65 R17. If you're in the market for the best 225/65 R17 tires, you might want to stick around as we explore what makes this tire a top choice for drivers. The Lionhart LIONCLAW is engineered for year-round use, boasting a tread depth of 10.71 30 seconds and a load capacity of 1874 pounds. This tire is designed with a symmetrical tread pattern, which enhances traction and ensures a smooth ride, whether you're cruising on the highway or navigating city streets. With a rim size of 17 inches and a speed rating of T, this tire combines safety and durability for all your driving needs. One of the key features of the LIONCLAW is its long-lasting tread life. The unique design and high-quality materials used in its construction contribute to its superior performance on various terrains. This tire excels in providing a quiet and comfortable ride, making it an ideal option for long-distance travel. Moreover, the Lionhart LIONCLAW is built to handle the demands of highway driving. Its robust construction allows it to maintain stability at higher speeds, giving you the confidence you need behind the wheel. Plus, the maximum pressure rating of 44 psi ensures optimal performance without compromising safety. When it comes to performance, the LIONCLAW truly shines. Whether you're dealing with wet or dry conditions, this tire is designed to offer reliable traction. The tread design effectively channels water away, minimizing the risk of hydroplaning while providing excellent grip on the road. In addition, this tire is engineered for durability. Its construction helps resist wear and tear, ensuring that you can rely on it for miles to come. The LionClaw HT is also a great choice for light trucks and SUVs, making it versatile for a variety of vehicles. So, if you're looking for a tire that combines durability, comfort, and exceptional performance, the Lionhart LIONCLAW Highway Terrain Tire is definitely worth considering. With its robust features and reliable design, it stands out as one of the best options in the 225/65 R17 category. Thank you for tuning in to Product Critique. If you found this review helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more insightful product reviews. Drive safe, and we'll see you in the next video.